one of the biggest ways how people get clients for AI drop servicing, for AI marketing agencies, is by using Facebook ads, also known as Meta ads. With that in mind, how do you actually get clients? Quite simply, now currently I'm on Facebook ads library and I'm showing you what other startups in the agency space, how are they actually acquiring clients. As you can see here, they have some information about them. Past 12 years, they've developed a lot of different business opportunities when it comes to SEO, pay-per-click ads, social media, and other digital marketing things. Contact us. Okay, this is the ad that they're running right now. So if somebody clicks contact us, it probably leads to their website. And this is the agency. As you can see, it's a tiny business in Las Vegas. And here's their website. Okay, so we can quickly come onto here and we can see what they do. Law firm digital marketing services. That is great, but the challenge is, yes, you can advertise on here, right? And a lot of these businesses do. But when you actually start advertising on Facebook, quite a big challenge is actually scaling the ads and sometimes even having your account suspended. That's where you need to think about agencies that provide Meta agency accounts. This is a business called UpRose, and basically what it does, it unlocks limitless advertising with whitelisted agency ad accounts. A lot of people don't understand that this is a good way to get AI marketing, AI dropshipping clients, just advertising like these companies do. But sometimes that doesn't work, or your ad gets rejected, or you get a limit or whatever. This is different. Break free from spending limits, rejections and bans and stuff like this. There is actually two types of different Facebook ad accounts. So the first type is the simple type that you just create on your own and you start advertising. The other type is agency. And this is what this company, UpRose, actually gives you. Okay, so 1,700 media buyers, affiliates, e-commerce brands spending between 50K to 500K a month. With that in mind, so let me ask you something. Have you ever advertised on Facebook or Google or TikTok and had your account suspended? Now, if that ever happened and you followed all the rules, or maybe your ad was sitting in the review for many, many days, that's not your fault typically. That can be the problem with your account type. So why does this happen? Because Facebook has two systems, regular accounts and agency accounts. Regular accounts is when you create your own account, just simple personal account, and then you advertise through it, okay? And it can get banned easily. It can have spending limits, it can have slow approvals, bad support and stuff like that. Agency accounts most of the times never get banned and typically have no spending limits, fast approvals, and real support when you need it. Typically, big brands will use agency accounts, not the regular ones. So the solution, like I said, is called uprose.io. What they do is simple. They give you access to whitelisted agency ads account, the same that big brands use. They manage over $30 million in ad spend every month for over 500 clients. So what you get? So with an agency account, what you get is no spending limits, scale as fast as you want. Your ads get approved the same day, not in 3 days, not in more days. Real support when something goes wrong, and your account doesn't get randomly banned. How it works? Facebook gives agency accounts something called trust scores. Agency accounts start with high trust score. So Facebook treats them differently, better, and you basically can run a ton of ads straight away and reach a lot of people. Not all new accounts on Facebook will be able to do that, and most won't. This is very serious for businesses. And if you're spending or looking to spend a few $1,000 or $10,000 per month or more on ads, you really should consider agency accounts, because you probably, if you tried it, you know how bad Facebook can be when it comes to these approvals, bans, and stuff like that. When it comes to the numbers, UpRose charges between 1 to 4%. Most agencies charge between 8 to 12%. 0% for this stuff. And here's the crazy part. If you run a white hat business, they even give you accounts with 0%. Yes, you heard that right. And you can even earn cashback on your ad spend. And they only take 10 new brands each month. They keep it small so service stays good. So if you're serious about Facebook ads and you need an agency ads account, you're tired of all the BS, this is how big brands actually run ads, by using agency accounts, not through regular accounts that can get banned literally any time. So if you want to check out Aproas, I'm gonna drop the link in the description and you can sign up, book a free consultation with them and see if it's the right fit for you. In my opinion, Aproas is the best ad account agency out there. All right, that's it for today's video. If you're looking to get AI dropshipping clients, marketing clients, stuff like that, check out Aproas, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.